Did you know that in your Mercedes-Benz you can have two phones in use through the Bluetooth system? If you have a personal phone and a work phone, for example, you can set up the main phone for inbound and outbound calls, and the second for inbound calls only. Simply go into Telephone in the main menu by either pressing the Tel button or using the scroll wheel or touchpad on your steering wheel to navigate the menu. In the menu, on the left-hand side of the screen, select Devices. Here, you can connect a second device if you have already set up your main phone. Select Connect New Device, and then choose to connect via System or via Device. It will then ask you if you want your device connected as Phone 1 or Phone 2. You will then see the phones highlighted as their selected numbers. You can change which phone is selected as the main one at any time by either going through the Connect Device menu or through the menu on the left using the Switch To option. Simply select this and it will automatically change to the other device. If you enjoy listening to music during your commute, you can also switch between the devices in the same menu. Simply choose the music symbol for either Phone 1 or 2. This way you can have your main phone set up for phone calls and the other for your music. It's as simple as that.